How not to drive a Mercedes.
Yes.
Tell them how you did it.
Don't take off when your friend's trying to close the door and you park way too close to the curb.
Try to put it back on.
See how far we get with this.
God. That was just too funny. Good thing I got out and checked.
Yeah.
Could have done it the redneck way with some duct tape, but no, you had to be a muscly guy.
There we go. Oh, better.
Oh my god. That's rich.
That is rich.
So here's our new mud truck.
Yeah. I should have just threw the plates on the fucking Bronco because, like, the Bronco,
Yeah.
the fucking registration still comes up as the Ford Bronco too because DMV fucked it up.
Well, good. We can use it like a Bronco. We're gonna lift it and
No, I should
put boggers on this biatch.